Hey, Angela Lauria, the author Incubator here. I want to tell you about my experience with Video Power. When we started working with Video Power, we had been struggling with YouTube ads for over a year. We knew it could work for us. I'd gotten so much advice in masterminds and from friends who had success with YouTube ads, but nothing we did would work. We would just spend money and not get any leads or clients. And pretty quickly, I would say within 2 weeks of signing up to work with the Video Power team, we started seeing leads coming through. And what was awesome was the leads were costing us about half of what we were spending on Facebook and in other channels, but they were converting twice as well. We think we know why. We think that people go to YouTube to watch videos. So their sound was up. Instead of watching our videos with the sound down, they were actually grabbed by our message. And I can't tell you the number of emails and Facebook PMs and Instagram posts we get saying, "Thank you for your ad. It was amazing." Even people who don't convert as clients. So we are so thrilled with our work with Video Power. It's transformed our business. We have twice the number of clients now that we did before we started working with them, and we're spending half as much on advertising.